Simplifying again, 10, page 130, part D. I'll do the hardest question again. We got to get the root sign out of the denominator, but we can't just multiply everything by root 2 because then we're going to be left with 5 root 2, even though it gets cleared up over here. So think of the difference of squares and multiply the by the denominator's conjugate. So what would you multiply the bottom by to get a difference of squares? It would be 5 minus 4 root 2. So same on top, 5 minus 4 root 2, because then that doesn't change the value of the question at all, because this equals 1. So we do some actually I'll do it over here because it's going to take some space at the top. 6 root 3 times 5 is 6 times 5 is 30 root 3 minus 4 times 6 is 24 root 6. And then negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. And then negative times a negative is 8 root 2. So that's an ugly mess. That cannot be simplified. Now, because it's difference of squares, I'm not going to do the middle. I'm just going to do, instead of F-O-I-L, just F and L. 5 times 5 is 25. And then positive 4 root 2 times negative 4 root 2 is going to be, no, it's going to be minus, sorry. Minus 4 root 4. So same on top, 30 root 3 minus 24 root 6 minus 10 plus 8 root 2. The root of 4 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 25 minus 8 will be 17. That is an ugly looking answer. I'm just going to check and make sure that I did it right. I didn't make any mistakes. 10D. 17. 30, 24, 10, 8. Okay, the top is right. What did I do wrong with the bottom? 25. Oh, 4 times 4 is 16. Silly me. So that's 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 25 minus 32 is going to be negative 7. There we go. There's the answer. I did 4 times 4 equals 4. That's wrong. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Now, it looks like the back of the book, they changed the signs of everything, probably to give a positive denominator. This is totally fine, 100% acceptable. If you wanted to rewrite it with different signs, so I'm going to say 24 root 6 minus 30 root 3 plus 10 minus 8 root 2. Exact same answer. It's all good.